Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Fake books. Automakers accelerate drive to secure battery raw materials. With a rising demand for electric vehicle or EV around the world is encouraging automakers such as Tesla, Inc, Nasdaq, TSLA, Volkswagen, ETR, VOWG _P, and Stellantis and V to step up efforts to secure raw materials needed for making batteries. Following are some of the deals major automakers have announced with suppliers and miners. Tesla, 26 August 2022, Panasonic Holdings Corp. And supplier to Tesla is in talks to build an additional EV battery plant in the United States at a cost of about $4 billion. 1 March 2022, Australia's core lithium will supply up to 1,000 dry metric tons of spodumene concentrate, a safe source of lithium over 4 years, starting in the second half of 2023. 1 November 2021, China's Ganfeng Lithium will supply undisclosed volumes of battery-grade lithium for 3 years starting 2022. 22 July 2021, Australia's BHP Group will supply nickel from its plants in Western Australia quantities. Timing not disclosed. Volkswagen, 23 August 2022, Volkswagen intensified efforts to secure access to key battery materials lithium, nickel, and cobalt by striking a cooperative agreement with top supplier Canada. No financial details were disclosed. At December 2021, Vulcan Energy Resources will provide lithium hydroxide for 5 years starting 2026. Vulcan extracts lithium from geothermal source in Germany's Upper Rhine-Valley region. 8 December 2021, Belgium's Umicore will supply cathode materials for Volkswagen's European battery cell factories under a joint venture. It will start production in 2025 with 20 gigawatt-hours for the carmakers plant in Karlsruhe, Germany. Stellantis, 24 June 2022, Stellantis will invest €40 million, 50.3 million to buy an 8% stake in German until Australia's startup miner Vulcan, becoming its second largest shareholder and extending lithium supply agreement to 10 years. 2 June 2022, Consolidated Thermal Resources will supply up to 25,000 metric tons per year of lithium hydroxide over 10 years from a project in California. 29 November 2021, preliminary deal with Vulcan for lithium produced using geothermal energy from Germany over 5 years starting in 2026. Vulcan will supply tons of battery-grade lithium hydroxide. Renault, 1 June 2022, Moroccan miner management will supply 5,000 tons of low-carbon cobalt sulfate under a 7-year deal starting from 2025. 21 November 2021, Vulcan will supply metric tons of battery-grade lithium chemicals from initial 6 years starting 2026. 8 October 2021, MOU with Finnish nickel and cobalt miner Tavaram to supply nickel sulfate quantities and timeline not disclosed. Mercedes-Benz, 23 August 2022, Mercedes-Benz Trix cooperation agreement with Canada to secure access to lithium, nickel and cobalt. It will explore a strategic partnership with Roctage Lithium, which would supply the carmaker and its battery partners with up to 10,000 tons of lithium hydroxide a year from 2026. BMW 5 August 2022, BMW signs a non-binding memorandum of understanding with Xeropan Lithium Ltd for the supply of lithium hydroxide. 7 June 2022, United States startup Salutation, backed by BMW, who's competing for many partnerships, is Bolivia to tap into the world's largest resources of lithium. Toyota 1 August 2022, a joint venture of Toyota and Panasonic will buy lithium from Pioneer Ltd's Rhyolite Ridge mining project in Nevada to build EV batteries in the United States. For October 2021, BHP Group will supply nickel sulfate from Western Australia to Toyota and Panasonic's joint venture. Details were not disclosed. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!